guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm so happy you found us. I'm Lisa, and today I'm doing something a little different. I thought it would be fun to talk about journals that I've bought for myself that are totally not me. So let's get into this, and I'll kind of just show you what I bought and how it's not me, but how I ended up loving it. And on some of them, I bought a second.
Alright guys, this is the first journal I bought, and I've actually shared this one before in how I use my journals. This is my fitness journal, and I bought it because it was a fitness journal, but it's very different from what I normally get or what I make. It has an outside that's been Mod Podged over, and inside it's just paper. That's it. There's no pockets, there's no anything. It's just page after page after page of nothing. There's an envelope at the back that comes with some images, and it comes with an envelope of magazine images. And that's all it is paper, just like that. And I thought, well, that's perfect though, because all you do is record your progress when you exercise, right? So this is actually a great exercise journal, and it comes with a fun magazine images, and I had some of my own, and I cut them out because I think, you know, every once in a while you need to pump yourself up and put something fun in even an exercise journal. So I use like Popeye and Be Your Best and olive oil and stuff like that, just to help me with, you know, staying on my fitness journey. I loved it so much, and as you can see, it's almost full, that I bought a second one. Same exact journal, same exact Etsy shop, and I will link her Etsy store below. If you like to exercise and you don't want to have to deal with a lot in the way of your journal, and you just want something to record your progress in, these journals are amazing. Like I said, I love this one so much, I bought a second one. Alright, the next journal that I bought was this one, and I just thought it was so fun because of the appliques on the front. Had a bird, has like this faux leather, or probably faux leather on the back end, and I really liked it. It has this kind of fuzzy stuff, and when you open it up, now this is more of how I would make a journal, but you know, sometimes you're lazy and you don't want to make a journal, and I use this one as an art journal. I submit art, I've won prizes, and I record what I'm going to submit, where, my ideas, the sizes, everything about the piece, what I use to make it. I'm a mixed media artist, and that's what I use this journal for, and I love it because the images in the journal inspire me as well. But as you can see, I mean, I've used all this so far. I mean, I've used this journal a lot. And like pages like this, you might say, well, that has a lot of unusable pages. When I get to this point, I just slap some white gesso on it, some white paint, or I put some copy paper over it, and right away, same here, same there. I just love this journal. It is so inspiring. It has pockets if I want to stick something in a pocket. It has a lot of textures because textures inspire art. It's very visual. And like I said, I love it. I'm about halfway through it, but I wanted to make sure when I finished this one, I had a backup. So look what I did. I ordered a second one. And this one's a little thinner, and just a little thinner, not much, but still the same great journal, and it's still very visual, very textile, and I love it. So again, this is going to be my art journal when I fill the other one up. I just love the style of these. I will link this shop below, and I'll name it like art journals, exercise journals, so you'll know which shop journals you're looking at. The last one I just bought is this one, and this one is very intriguing because it is kind of a hybrid between a Victorian vintage journal and a futuristic vintage journal, if that makes sense. I haven't used it yet. I just got it, but I do like it. I like that it's so unusual, and that it kind of throws you because it's kind of vintage, but then you've got this. So you've got that hint of like, almost like, what's his name? The artist. that did the soup cans. Andy Warhol. It's like a pop of Andy Warhol. And then you've got stuff like a modern shoe with a dog in it, laminated, in a journal that's kind of got a Victorian vintage vibe to it as well. So like I said, this journal is very fascinating to me. I like it. I can't get that back in there right now, but it's just very, very different. So, but that's a good thing, because sometimes you need things that are different in your life to stretch your imagination, to stretch how you see things. And especially as an artist, I love to, that's an envelope. I love to get things that are different and not what I'm expecting. Because if you get the same, what you expect all the time, it's kind of boring. And see, she like, they decoupaged this on here. I don't know. This is, but then this is very vintage stickers, kitchen stickers. So it's a very juxtaposed journal. But I love it. I really do. So I will link this shop down below too if you want a journal that will kind of challenge you. That will kind of, you know, make you think outside of a typical normal box. It is in a book. It's a hardcover book that's been repurposed. It's been done nicely, very nicely. I love the journal. Like I said, it's just really different. And I like that. Being an artist, I appreciate this. So the last one I'm going to share with you is actually from Happy Planner. And it is a recipe journal that I got at the end of 2020 with some Christmas money. And it's fun. I mean, it's a typical, you know, recipe journal. I love the graphics. And of course, it's Happy Planner, so you've got the rings. But it's got, I love this image. It says time, and I just love that. I appreciate the art in it. So anyway, I got this and I thought I would put family recipes in it. Oh, I really love that one too. But here's the deal. I have a zillion and one notebooks, recipe journals, and all of that. So while I love this one so much, I think what I'm going to do is for the holiday this year, Christmas, I'm going to put some select family recipes in this and then wrap it up and give it to my daughter. She just got her own apartment and she can start her tradition of what recipes she likes in it. So, but this is a great one that I just got. Like I said, it's a Happy Planner, as you can tell. It has shopping list at the front, and then it has, you know, all the pages to put all the recipes you want, and it has all the dividers. And if I didn't have 101 recipe journals already, I would definitely use this one. But I have one that I made that I'm going to fill up before I fill up one I buy. So, anyway.